you know why I'm wearing a face mask and I'm inside? Look, if you said, because you're going outside, you're correct.
What's up? What's up, double cuts?
We don't call them double cuts. We call them Juliandians. So we're gonna go to IKEA. We are absolutely doing that. Cause yesterday we went to Marina Mall, but I haven't bring the phone. So this phone to upload it in the right video. No, the video is coming, but I know that it's gonna come late, I think. Look at that picture. Wait, look. Wait, what? You can't see anything. It's just turn off the light and they cannot see anything.
Karate mommy.
Okay? Speak English, okay? Okay. Speak English, okay? Why? So, we're now in this floor. Now we're in the elevator. Party in the elevator. Party in the elevator. Party in the elevator.
Ano ni silong meron ako? Try.
So it's still short.
Matuod ko ma. So, late 30s ko na ako.
Khalifa, that is a Burj. You're right, a Burj Khalifa. And we're now out. Look at this, baby. We live in a supermarket. It's called Mina Madina Supermarket. And it's right over here, bro. It's there, bro. Did you see it? I don't know. But the supermarket front door is closed. We could just use the back door of this supermarket. See? So closed. And there's a... Wait, that's the back door?
This is the back door.
Oh! Because it says a sign here that says, please use front door. Minis. And there is the Fresh and More supermarket that's closed, but because no one is buying from there, so they closed. Out of business. Okay? That should not happen to me because my business is to upload videos. That's my new man. Okay, the car is here, and Daddy just started the car. You could just do this.
Ang palan Arabic ka, sapsap, mulan.
Sorry ba?
Labas na sapsap. Paborito ni Lentean, saka ni Lerjean. Paborito ka ni Lentean.
What is lintian in English?
I don't know.
But lintian is a funny word in our language. But the girl is named Len, and then it rhymes with Lentean, so she call her Lintian. Lintian. Okay, so the car is now here. The car is now here. Buildings.
Si Aquaman.
Aquaman is Avengers, right?
O, Boko. Justice League.
Parang kita na buong na-elevel di ako kanto. Kulot-kulot na bagsak.
So let's now go here. We're now in the car. We're gonna go in the car, guys. It's gonna be our first time. And hello. And it's so hot. It's so hot. It's burning.
Look at man.
Burning the camera.
Paano mo yan?
Yay! This is so. This vlog is the craziest vlog in my whole
Oh,
life.
ang init.
This vlog is the craziest vlog I've ever seen in my life. Cause it's me vlogging, you know that? There's pandas in my mask. How can I take them off? How can I take the baby panda masks? Oh, it's just the design of the mask. Yeah. Oh, look at that thing that says I love UAE. Oh, is it? We bought it in Abu Dhabi. Duh. We can't go to Dubai because we need blood tests, and blood test is scary for my mom and me.
And by me.
They need to test my blood. They need to test my blood for kids and also for grown-ups. They put cotton sticks inside their nose and then pull them out. That sounds scary. So my mom is scared of blood tests. Even me. Ooh, yeah. Maybe so construction site right over that way. Wait, is that the building that was not built for long? A lot of construction sites. My house is now built. My house in the Philippines is now built. Now they're gonna put the paint, and then we're coming there, and then we're gonna put our stuff. What?
Stop holding your pa.
Pa?
Di pa ngayon. Ngayong lahat natin gustong
We don't have a pa. Where are you?
Quiet.
ngayong lahat ng kaninet, ngayong lahat ng kaninet, ngayong lahat ng kaninet. Kita-kita yung lahat ng kaninators. Saka hayaan nyo na lang kasi
Okay, go.
So, still red light. Still red light. Is this the cheating stoplight? All stoplights are like this? Okay. There you go, baby. Just holding the... No. This is so scary for me. Please. Please. It's so scary. I told you we're just gonna pass Abu Dhabi Mall. See? It's not where we came. We came in Marina Mall. That's Abu Dhabi Mall right there. No, not that building. The next building, okay? Not that building. I mean,
This building.
that building right there. Are we coming in Abu Dhabi Mall? Are we coming in Abu Dhabi Mall?
Are we going?
Whoa, did you saw that UAE flag waving? I love UAE. Okay.
Lock mo raw pinto ng
Lock the doors, okay? Lock the doors. Nope. Okay.
mainit pa kayo.
Okay, I'm gonna hold. What? Are you crazy? It's almost winter and it's almost Christmas. What? That's why Patty, it's winter in the UAE. That's why it's foggy in the UAE. Days are short and nights are long. Make sure to check that video out. But like, subscribe, share with your friends, and click the notification bell. And please watch the meeting, the YouTuber video. Those things supports us. If you don't want to support us, just click the dislike button. No one should not click that button. That's the most.
And
You will die if you press that dislike button.
can you say it again? Please like and subscribe.
So
Wait.
so remember, like and share and subscribe. Don't hit the dislike button. I don't want that. I don't like that. Oh yes, the tower. The tower looks so amazing. I haven't seen a tower like that. Some buildings like right there. Wait, what? I could just see my mom. The camera cannot see them. Those things. Oh my gosh. Subscribe, like your friends, subscribe. Oh yeah, we're going to IKEA. IKEA came from Sweden to the United Arab Emirates. I saw a video where Sweden built IKEA and then they transferred to the United Arab Emirates. I know that it's in this island where we live in, IKEA. No, we don't live in IKEA. We live in a building that had this. We live in the same building of Mina Al Madina supermarket, right? Or we live in 403. Oh, oh my gosh! On 2019, we live in 403. Now that we are in 2020, we live in 503. We don't live in 2020. Oh my god. This day is being so funny. It's almost there. I know that this island is so big. But if you see on the map, this island is so small, which means we're more small. We're so small. Right?
It's 12 minutes already. You can't upload it anymore.
Okay, bye.